Alrighty, welcome to the stream. We are back again. So the market's about to open here in Australia any second now, and we're off. Okay, let's see where this takes us. I'm hoping today's going to be a good day. And I'm hoping we've finally gotten past the whole downward trend. I'm fairly confident we have. Now if you look, actually before I hang on a second, what's going on here? Alright, things are looking on up, which is good. Now before I continue, just need to quickly, where did I put it? Post something in the chat. Where is it? There we go. Alright, before I start, just a quick disclaimer, and it's in the chat as well. This isn't financial advice, so please do your own homework. This is just documenting my journey in trading gold and silver, trying to get $200,000 in 2 months. Definitely doable. I've done it twice already. Once with 10,000 and another time with only what was it, 5,000. So it is possible. Alrighty. Looks like there's a... So I'm in the hourly chart. Let's have a look what's going on 15. So silver, it's going strong. Gold, however, what's going on there? The sellers are trying to push it down. Jeez. That's right. So as I was saying earlier, if you look in the top left corner, you will see your updated cash and profit as of this morning. So last week, let's have a quick look. Where's last week? Alright, so last week we did have a lot more profit and cash, obviously. Now last week was pretty volatile, and in hindsight I should have realized, well, I should have remembered from last time that the first week after a crash is just, you just don't bother trading, really. Well, the way I trade, definitely not a good idea, because it's just too volatile, up and down. I'm more of a long-term trader, so I gave it a go, but it didn't work out as you could imagine. Well, as you can see, the results were down from last week. Now, having said that, this week's going to be definitely a lot better. As I said, I'm pretty sure we're on the upside of things from this point on. Now, if I had any margin to play with today, I would definitely be buying in. But where are we? Send a message real quick. Yeah, if I had some more margin, I'd be buying in. Now would have been a good one to buy into. If I had more margin, I'd probably buy in. Probably should wait an hour before I do buy in. Definitely would have waited an hour. But yeah, I definitely, unless things start going sideways or downwards, I'd be buying right now. But yeah, because we've lost a bit of money last week, it's absolutely killed my margin, and I now just have to wait for my 2 positions that I do have to build up some margin. So, what's the time now? 9. Okay, so at 10 o'clock, I'm gonna analyze the chart at 10 o'clock. Wow, look at that gold. Sellers are really trying to push that down, eh? Bastards. We want to go up, not down. Alright, so yeah, in an hour I'll analyze the charts again and then we'll go from there. Oh man, I'm still trying to recover from last week and the lack of sleep. Where's my... What the hell's going on? Where's my breakfast gone? I had it on the chair. What the hell? Okay, this is where the hell is my breakfast gone? I've misplaced my breakfast. Oh dear God. Alright, so let me have a look here. I just want to make sure. I've got everything in place. I've got stop losses in place. So my stop losses are basically, where did I place them? All the way down here for this position. Now, the reason I did that is because I don't want to get caught out again. Because people start dumping gold again, I should be relatively safe here, because there's no way it's going to come back down to this point. That's just too low. Could be wrong, but if you look at the last little dip, I should be alright. Same with the silver, I did the same. I put it way down here. Now, how are we going to have enough margin to prevent a closeout? That's still debatable. Alright, let's have a look. Where am I? My sound is working. Yes, it is. Okay. Just have to check that. I love how my Nightbot is telling stream elements not to not to post links. I'm gonna have to fix that up. Alright, let me have a look at what is this? No, that's not what I want. Refresh. Oh, what the actual that's not what I wanted to do. Alright, so we're looking at people will be taking profits, so probably Actually, gold might go down a bit, but I think we should be okay. I think it's still pushing back. We need a nice long green candle, which we kind of nearly had. $49. Yeah, it could possibly drop back here, but then it should push back. Push back up. Look at silver go. It ain't taking no shit from no one. Again, sellers are trying to push it down. That's annoying. So silver, I'm looking at silver. Oh, it's getting pushed down, but I think we'll get momentum. What's this? Yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna be 82. What did I work out here? I can't remember what I did here. Bottom? No. I can't remember why I put those lines, but it seems to be matching up. Hilarious. Yeah, silver definitely going up. Gold, I don't know what gold's doing. Oh dear. Come on, gold, push up. You know you want to. Oh, scrolling further. Thanks for joining the stream. Just remember, this isn't financial advice. This is just my journey to 100k in 2 months from 3,000. I've done it before, so this is my third time turning very low amounts into 100,000. The way gold and silver is going, it's very doable. Feel free to have a chat if you've got any questions, as long as they're not financial questions. Happy to answer. Now silver, okay, I think That's only a small candle there. Still doing a lot better than gold. Now, what is going on here? What is that up there? There we go. So small. That big coin, it's getting pushed down as well. So while I'm not actively buying Bitcoin or copper or anything like that, I am just keeping an eye on it. That's copper. Copper looks like it might start going up as well. And what do we got here? That's the USXPX 500. All right. I think we're going to definitely see over 5,000 for gold. Looking very strong. I think gold is definitely alright. We have some breakfast. Oh, this looks good. Looks good. Want to see my breakfast? Yummy. Yogurt. Or yogurt, fruits, nuts. Gotta keep healthy. Damn, that's good. There we go, buyers. Push it up. Ugh. I definitely think once the Asian market opens up, I think we could possibly see a very sharp increase. Well, maybe not very sharp, but I think once Asia opens in, what is it, half an hour? Yeah. Half an hour. I think we'll definitely see an increase in buyers. Look at that. I look away from the screen for 2 seconds or a minute and it shoots up. Nice. Go the Aussies. Push it up. That's good. We've increased our profit, increased our margin. So same strategy as I said last week. I'll be buying in increments on the way up. Oh wow, look at that. That's what we're looking for. Nice big green candle. That's pretty good. That is pretty damn good. Watching that margin, available margin, go up is so satisfying. Let's have a quick look at the hourly. Yeah, definitely looking on the upside of things. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Jesus, look at that. That's a really long candle. Okay, next candle. Probably drop down a bit now. Or I could keep pushing. All right. Let's see. What do I need? How much margin do I need? Geez, 1700, 1800 almost. We are down from last week, but let's see if this week is going to turn out better. Oh. I mean, looking at it, what were we at? Yeah. There's the pushback. All right. So far, so good. All right, let's have a look. I think 5-minute, 15-minute blocks. Probably not relevant anymore. I think I'll switch to 30-minute charts now to give me a better idea of what's happening. Why does this keep moving? Gee, seriously, it's so annoying. There's a lot of talk about gold and silver, in this case gold going up to 8,000 very fast and within the next couple of months or next, like, yeah, the way people are talking, it's when I say people I mean analysts, it's like they're predicting extremely huge gains coming rapidly. Okay, so far the trend is pretty good. I mean, everything is on the up. Let's have a look. 35,000, 32. Alright, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Just want to make sure. Breaking Iran threatens US base. Talks turn. Ooh, okay. Looks like Iran. I'll make it a bit more exciting. I'll change it to the 15-minute chart so you can see it go up and down. Just watching some news on Iran and US. See, tensions are still high. If we run, what's this? Some silver news. Alright folks, quick bathroom break before the Asian market opens. I'll be back in just a second. Alright, I am back folks. What did I miss? Not much. Alright, let's have a look. I mean, depending what happens when the Asian market opens up, and I think it's going to keep going up. possibly the 5100. Sorry, like 5051. Possibly. See if it breaks the 5055. Silver. I reckon silver's going to reach 82 today. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah. Silver, hang on. I mean, you know what? Silver is probably going to bounce back. I mean, that's normal. I won't do any drawing just yet. Let's wait another 5 minutes. That'll be 1 hour, and then I can assess where we go from here. Okay, spread. Interesting. If you're watching, please don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with my when I jump online. Alright, I'm just doing some research real quick. Oh, turn my fan on. Alright, Asian markets are open. Naturally, there's going to be some pullback. All right. Let's see how we're doing. Not too bad, not too bad. Nice little profit. Alright, so now we might see a little bit of pullback now that the Asian market is open. Oh, actually, that's right, I was going to do work out where's my mouse? There it is. Okay. Okay, so that's interesting. That's the red one. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna see what happens. So if the next move is above that line, I think we're gonna have a bearish run. Sorry, bullish run. If it's below that line, probably bearish run. Let's see how we go. Okay. All right. Gonna look at some more news. Yeah, I definitely think silver's going to have is going to go insane. Oh dear. Alright, so we're up this morning, which is good. See, there's a lot of news around XRP as well. I haven't looked into that too much. Let's try to focus on gold and silver. Oh, we hit that top again. Alright, red. Is that going to stay like that? Still got 5 minutes. It goes red, and then a long green one. That would be perfect buy position. Same with the gold. Yeah, so I think silver about $85 it's going to hit today. As for gold, definitely 5,050. Oh dear. Alright, how are we looking? Oh yeah, there's the pushback, so that's as expected. I was waiting for that. It could go as low as 75 before it bounces back up, maybe. For the silver, gold so far is still pretty good. Alright, let's have a look. Where is it? Alright, I'm just analysing the charts. Alright, for gold. So, we do have ascending triangle here. So that's good. And it is bullish. So resistance is about 80. So I was right on that. I've got support of 77. Yeah, that's about right. Alright, so here's a quick summary of silver. And just remember, it's not financial advice. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look at gold. So gold's got an ascending triangle as well, which is good. Where did I put my thing? Which one is it? Oh, yeah, the blue line. So 47 I put. So, which is about right. And then 49. That's pretty good. Alright, here we go. So remember, not financial advice. Got a bullish trend for gold. So there's strong demand for it, which is good. So we're looking at 5,100 this year. That's pretty good. Alright, so everything's still, charts all green still, that's good. I really wish all my positions in get margined out. I'd be, oh god, I'd probably have like 200k by now. Alright, so far everything's looking on the up. What's the time? Okay, so another 30 minutes of streaming and then I'll finish up for today. Just a quick recap, we are down from last week. Last week was very volatile, so obviously that's let me just close this a bit. Yeah, so obviously we lost a bit of money, but that's my fault. I should have remembered from last time. Trading in the first week is not a good idea, unless you know you're into that sort of trading, sniping, scalping, whatever you call it. I'm more of a long-term trader. I've got some people saying it's going to go 51.50, but I don't know. Possibly. my prediction is 5100, so it's not that far off. Of course it doesn't make a difference whether you put it at the top or bottom, you weirdo. Sorry, I'm just reading my messages. Alright, how are we looking here? Okay, 3 reds. Alright. How about you give me a big green one now? And I'll signal a buy position, which I'm not ready for. I've got no margin. I have a little margin, but even though I'm confident everything's going to go up, definitely have enough for 2 units, but it's got to be 5 units. There's no point doing 2 units. We need blocks of 5. What about silver? Blocks of 10, 1100. This is 1700. Problem is, gold would be the next buy for me, not silver. Silver would be doable, but it's still way off. Well, unless I buy it, sell it, take the profit. Actually, oh, of course. Okay. I think on the next way up, on the next wave up, I will try and buy in and we'll use that as a profit maker there. So we'll buy in low, and then sell at the top to try and get some more money in there to increase our margin. Otherwise, if I sit here and wait, it's going to take forever, and we can't afford to wait. So yeah, let's do that. Oh dear. Stop yawning. No yawning allowed. Where's my water? That's probably why. Get some water in my body. Alright, there you have it. Those are going to be our next buy positions. They're not going to be the permanent long-term ones. They're going to be the ones that we're just going to buy, hold for a bit, sell it, just to top up our cash flow. And so basically, so we can build up some margin there. All right, let's have a look. There we go here. What's that? It's just my camera's outside. Perfect. My leave request for Thursday has been approved. Very good. Good job. Alright, so red, green. It's not a very long green, so it's not really a buy position there. Yeah. This could drop a little bit more here as well on the silver. Maybe with the gold as well. hang on. China opens in half an hour, doesn't it? Just when I stop streaming. Sorry guys, but yeah, I can't sit here and stream more than 2 hours. I've got shit to do. Places to be. That's annoying though. Rather be here trading all day, but I got a job to go to, money to make. Yeah, it is usual shit. Wrecked it. Mess. Oh, look at silver go. try and push up. Good job, silver. Keep it up. Excuse me. Pardon me. Alright, I've got enough, definitely got enough margin to cover a gold buy, but I'm not sure what gold's doing at the moment. Oh, silver, hang on. What? Oh, you're an idiot. Where am I? Am I? Yeah, I am. Jesus. Can't believe you did that. I just realized 10 units of silver isn't much, is it? Idiot. Should have been 50. I guess I didn't have the margin. That's the only reason I would have done that. So the question is, should I buy it now or I'm going to wait 20 minutes to see what the market does. Sellers are trying to push it back. I'll wait for it to break out and then I'll get it. You know what? I'll wait for it to break out and I'll get 100 units. That, and then we'll sell that 10 units at some point. But that's not going to accumulate much. Yeah, and we'll wait for gold to rise up a bit more. We'll wait for 2,000 profit on gold before we buy another one, and then yeah, that'll work. So gold. Yeah, let's do that. Ugh. Come on, margin. Alright, 15 minutes before the market opens. If you're watching this, do leave comments, whether you're watching it now or later, and let me know what you think of the layout, whether you prefer to sort of see, I mean, we're across two screens, whether I should reduce it to one screen and just have gold and silver. Oh no. It actually has. Can I change it? There we go, that's better. I didn't realize I had the bloody wrong category for kick. My bad. Had the wrong category for kick. Silly, silly me. Write me later. Count. Count. Channel. Okay. Okay. Copy, paste, and huh? Okay, I don't know what's going on there. It's not what I want to do. Let's have a look. Which one is it? What is that? Overlays. There we go, that's what we need. Oh, what happened there? Um, we've got 10 minutes before China opens. This will be interesting. Where is it? There we go, that's better. That's not much. Send. Oh man. It's not much options. That's annoying. That didn't work. There we go. It's installed. Studio. So I can go live as well there. Interesting. Play sound. I'm just looking at my options real quick. Turn on. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. What am I looking for? Settings, let's look at my settings. So everything's still looking pretty good. Excellent. Welcome to the stream. If you like what you're seeing, don't forget to subscribe. So I am currently basically trying to turn 3,000 into 100,000. I've done it twice before already, so yeah, first time I did it with 10,000, second time I did it with what was it, 5,000. Markets are looking pretty good. So week 2 we are down, obviously, because last week was just shit, too volatile. When it's super volatile, top volatile market, I am definitely not the best at trading. However, when the markets start to stabilize like they are this week, I start to, that's where my skills come in, and that's how I've managed to get you know, from a small amount all the way to 100,000 in just a couple of months. So in less than a minute, China is going to open up, and we're going to see, hopefully, if I'm right, a push up through my trend line. So if that can get pushed up there, then that is definitely a buy. Of course, it could be that it does go down a bit first before it goes up, just because, you know, when the market opens, a lot of people probably want to take their profit. So it'll probably go down before it goes up. Don't forget, if you are sitting here watching and passing time, don't forget you can go fishing. Coffee cup. That's what I need. I need a coffee. Where's the coffee? Why is there no coffee inside? Might taste a bit off though, being in that lake. There's all sorts of things down in that in that lake. Let's have a look. Alright, so silver is starting to get a push up thanks to the Chinese market. China, good old China. What about gold? Seems to be getting a push up. Yeah, looking at the charts. I mean, if it does get pushed, no, actually no, don't think it will. I get pushed up to 40, 5,040, and gold, silver. Well, silver might actually break through. Look at that. Will you look at that? That's amazing. I'm going to try and pick up some profit here. I mean, ideally, I shouldn't have bought until it breaks that up here, but you can get a few dollars out of it. That'll be good too. No, it's getting pushed back down. I'm going to take that loss. It's all good. Yeah, the sellers are pushing it down. Now if we see another red, that means it's going to go in the other direction. Oh shit, it's 2 hours. Alright, I'm going to stop my stream here. Tomorrow, I will be back tomorrow streaming some more gold and silver action. It's tomorrow. What I'll do, I'll probably start. I don't know. Start a bit later. What is it? 10, 11. Tomorrow. What time did I start? I started at 9. Okay. So I might start at 9:30 tomorrow morning, just because I want to sort of do 9:30 to 11:30, so I can see what China's going to do in the next half hour. I'm going to keep training, obviously, but just not live at the moment. But hopefully you enjoyed the stream, and I will see you all next time.